Hello, hello everyone. Please welcome and join me in these steps. And today it's my wedding anniversary. My honey, we had a really good time. This is our silver jubilee. We had ups and downs, love, affection, everything is there. Fighting is there. That's part of the life. If there is too much love, it's no good. If it's too much sourness, no good. So I really appreciate, first of all, I'm going to say everyone out there who I did not invite, please, I'm sorry. But cyber family out there, I really want to wish from bottom of my heart, thank you. And all the family around here who has been gathered to celebrate such a good moment. Those 25 years was awesome. And I cannot congratulate my lovely lady. She has provided all the support during hard times, up and down.
And kid.
And that's my child, as you've seen him earlier. And this is my aunt, but she's my mom. She's my second mom. And my uncle, my other uncle, my aunt, my cousin, my sisters, my cousins, and my kids, and my older bro, he's always shy. He's a camera shy, but once he have one peg, he is good. And that's my Papi. And that's my Paji and Panji. And now the real moment of the tour. This is the moment we have been waiting for. So thank you everyone for coming over and taking your good time from your work and family and spending that lovely moment with us. I really appreciate each one of you out there. And now, my honey is going to cut it so we can do it. Sorry. As you've seen her all the time, she's been camera shy. I have to do it. This is my uncle. And best of all, I love her and I got a gift for her and she doesn't know. And that will be a surprise gift for her. Such a lovely moment between his parents. She's waiting and we'll get it. I'm getting a nice big surprise for my lady. And she's a very curious. She wants to know what kind of surprise it is. I say this is the 25th anniversary. It's a silver jubilee, and it got to be big.
Pull up.
Somebody's gonna come and drop the package here. It's coming in the Federal Expressway. The Federal Express is coming. Federal Express is coming. They're going to deliver the package.
Delivery's here.
They're going to.
Osman?
There are big package coming.
Oh, wow! Thank you.
Oh, honey, this gift for you. I love you. Here, 25th anniversary. Yeah. Robi? She likes it. She likes it. You like it? Thank you. This is your gift, honey. It's yours. Where's the keys?
ਚਲਾ ਕੇ ਚਾਬੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਚੱਲ ਜਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਗਿਫਟ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਆ ਦੈਟਸ ਇਟ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਪਿੱਛਾ ਛੱਡ
बहुत साल हो गए पंजी रिको ने सुनहरी मौका भज च लेके
She knows that. She's gonna stick around. She's gonna get better gifts.
ਗਿਫਟ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਚਾਬੀ ਲਓ ਤੇ ਭੱਜੋ
My wife, wanted to have some kind of gift on the 25th anniversary. And all those diamond rings and other stuff, those are okay. It's all material. Even this one is material. But I wanted to give her something really big, huge, so she can remember that. So this is for her. As you seen, guys, I have my Hummer. She really loves my Hummer, and she wanted to have her own. So it's for her. Thank you, guys.
डांस करने के
get that